I wanted to tell you about my experience with the ClearSight Method course because I have to admit that when I met Ainoa and she said that she could help me get rid of my glasses, I didn't believe it. I had hyperopia and astigmatism, and it actually was in a very high prescription, but I lived with my glasses on. There come a time where you get up in the morning and the first thing you do is to look for your glasses. I could see, but I felt uneasy without them, so I wore them all the time. I felt uneasy without glasses. Also, I have a daughter who's about 7 who diagnosed hyperopia with over 4 diopters in her prescription. So we started the free training with Ainoa, and after the first videos, Olivia and I got rid of the glasses. And then we took the ClearSight Method course, and that's it. Right now, I'm at a business event where I came without glasses, so that I'm traveling without glasses and without even thinking, darn, I'm going without glasses. And I can see the blackboards, read and write, see up close and far away easily. I'm like, I just don't remember when I couldn't see well. I can see perfectly, I see clearly, I have no difficulty. I go around as if I were with my glasses, but without them. And also, my daughter, Olivia. Well, I'm so happy for her, because in the end, the glasses, I noticed that they limited her movements in some way. And even more so when the first glasses she wore when she was very young, they had a little cord on them, so they were very tight. But from a certain size upwards, you don't get that kind of glasses. So she had to wear adult glasses, though they had a small prosthesis, so they could fit snugly to the ear. But these are glasses that for a 7-year-old girl's activities, which are running, jumping, climbing trees, well, living, those glasses move too much. And somehow her natural movement, well, it's conditioned so that the glasses won't fall off. Then, well, I was worried about that. So we started with the course and she got rid of her glasses and now she can read, live, everything. We're also monitoring her and checking her eyesight with an ophthalmologist who's familiar with natural vision and accompanies and supports us. And that's also been essential to me, to my peace of mind, in order to go through this process with confidence. So, well, it's much deeper, It's not just your vision, right? A lot of things are put in motion with your vision. The change in me has been, to get rid of the glasses, it's like a first step towards something much deeper. In order to understand that my vision, that I can decide how to see and how to do things in order to see much better, even in environments in which my vision is worst, to understand what's going on there, to fix it, correct it. Well, suddenly I noticed that I own my vision, and that actually involves many other things, deeper things that I'm sure you're going to find out when you take the course. When each one of you takes the ClearSight Method course with Ainoa, there's no other choice. So take it. There's no other choice. So we'll be there. I'm still with her, still working on this process with her. So if you need anything, just let me know, and I'll be glad to share with you my experience, my current approach, and all of my achievements. Thanks.